Hi everyone, this is Infi Desires Doodle, your number one place for doodles, calligraphy, DIY, and hand lettering videos. So in today's video, we are going to see some very easy blending techniques and backgrounds for our calligraphy. Let's start. So all the materials जो लगेंगे ये वीडियो में I have put it in the description. अब मैं यहाँ पे मैंने वाटर कलर पेपर लिया है एंड आई एम गोइंग टू डू अ वेट ऑन वेट ब्लेंडिंग टेक्निक. दैट इज़ मैं पूरे पेपर पे पहले पानी लगा रही हूँ ब्रश से एंड देन आई एम गोइंग टू जस्ट यूज 3 कलर्स. दैट इज़ अ pinkish magenta, whatever you want to call it, then a yellow, and last में मैं ब्लू कलर यूज करने वाली हूँ एंड आई एम जस्ट ब्लेंडिंग इट. द मेन technique in this is that you keep using water. So when you use water, base as water, then it becomes very easy to blend these colors and वो mix हो जाते हैं. That is, you don't get the lines, specific lines of the color. Now मैं यहाँ पे hair dry use करती हूँ usually so that the color dries up very fast. And that's it. Then I remove the washi tape and I'm going to write a quote in calligraphy pen. So ये बहुत ही simple है. I've also done a similar video before, how to blend and some art hacks, background techniques. This is my go-to technique for making beautiful calligraphy pieces with such colorful backgrounds. And one thing here while writing your quote in calligraphy is make sure that the color has completely dried. And if you want, आप पेंसिल से आपका लेटरिंग पहले स्केच आउट कर सकते हो. मैं यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली लिख रही हूँ. So I use a combination of capital letters, cursive writing, any way that you want, and just a simple video जिसमें I have done blending for my calligraphy background and written in calligraphy. So just a simple video for this week, and I will come with many more doodle videos in the coming weeks. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do like my video and let me know in the comments what is it that you are doing in this week. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and do share my video. Stay healthy, stay safe. I will see you soon in the next video.